Hello everyone, this model is Twoturret and Spindle CNC automation machines from our Shanxi robot group. The guardrail inherited Kitamura traditional scrapping technology, adopting FANUC OITF plus 3-channel system. The machine is characterized by compact structure, high rigidity, and high precision. Integrated with automatic loading and unloading manipulator and part turning device to achieve turning and milling complex processing in the front and back of parts by single feed, which can save a lot of labor cost for customers. Mainly used in automobile and motorcycle manufacturing, motor factory, general equipment, and instrumentation, and other fields. According to customer drawings, we can provide processing program for free. If you like or want to be our customers or distributors, please contact us for more information. Thank you.